Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing Kevin Shiftright. In cars, Kevin competes in the Dynaco 400 at the motor speed of the south. When Chick causes a large crash, Kevin's caught in it and seen sandwiched between James Cleaner and Rusty Cornfield. He obviously receives some damage, though he's able to continue races afterwards. He finishes best out of all the races, well, minus the main three, as he finished in 4th place. Not bad. Now here's one of the Meet the Cars bio says. Kevin is the 4th in a long line of races from the Shiftright family. His great-grandfather Kurt raced on the old dirt tracks of the 50s. His grandfather Craig won 2 piston cups in the late 70s. And his dad Clint won 3 in the early 90s. Kevin tries not to let the pressure of his family history get to him when he's on the track, or at dinner table. And now here's his physical description. Kevin's an absolute fishing race car. He's painted blue with white stripes. On his bonnet, the clutch aid logo can be seen with a light green outline. On the logo, the words clutch aid are green, while in the middle there's a green stripe with a right cross. The number 121 can be seen on his roof, doors, and right, headlight, painted in white with a thin light green outline. His rims are coloured white and have a blue trim. His eye colours are brown. And let's have a closer look at him now. So as I previously mentioned, there's a clutch aid, light green outline of the logo, and there are 2 white stripes going through the top, going through the top, if you know what I mean. And let's see, it's got 3 window bars. Whereas some racers, like Johnny Blamer here, he's only got 2. I'll be reviewing him in another video, so expect that to be coming in the next couple weeks or so. You see number 121, the second highest number in the Piston Cup. Highest being No Still, which is 123. So quite nice. As you can see, it's clutching on the back. I guess it'll be like a band-aid. White rims. I like him. I think that's pretty much all there is to say. Goodbye, Master Uguay.